Thanks very much for staying with us. We're almost a year after Prime Minister's museum that was inaugurated at the Teen Murti complex, which has now been serving as the official residence of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, the Congress leader's name that has now been dropped from the complex. The Nehru Memorial Museum and Library, which is also known as the NMML, will now be called as the Prime Minister's Museum and Society. Nyamika, good morning. We are told that this meeting, the decision that was taken at a special meeting of the NMML Society on Thursday, that was also presided over several ministers, and also when it comes to this decision that has been taken, what is the reason being cited?
Well, absolutely, as this decision has been taken to change the name of NMML, and for that matter, the politics has already started, because now the opposition parties, specifically the Congress party, has started attacking the government of India for taking such kind of decision, for changing the Nehru Museum and Library with the name of Prime Minister's Museum and Society. And for that matter, Jairam Ramesh, who is the General Secretary of the Congress party, has also tweeted in this regard, and he had called it pettiness of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he had even called him a self-styled Vishwa Guru. As if I could quote whatever he has tweeted in this matter, he has said that pettiness and winginess, thy name is Modi. For over 59 years, Nehru Memorial Museum and Library has been a global intellectual landmark and treasure house of books and archives. It is henceforth be called as Prime Minister's Museum and Society. What won't Mr. Modi do to distort, disparage and destroy the name and legacy of the architect of Indian nation state? So that is what Jairam Ramesh, who is the Congress Party's General Secretary, wants to say about this whole matter, as he has called the Prime Minister Narendra Modi as the self-styled Vishwa Guru. And this is not the very first time when the Congress Party has attacked the government of India as well as the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in this matter. As earlier also we have seen that the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has also called the government of India as for having a policy of the name changing, and that is the only reason why they keeps on changing the names which are related to the former Congress leaders and the former prime ministers which were from the Congress party itself. And that is what even Jairam Ramesh is trying to say in today's tweet, as well as he has called it a pettiness of the Prime Minister.
बात करें तो सारे प्रधानमंत्रियों के बारे में बात होनी चाहिए. बताया जा रहा है कि आखिरकार ये जब डिसीजन लिया गया था उसी पर मद्देनजर ये सोच के लिया गया था कि जितनी कंट्रीब्यूशन रही है, जितने योगदान रहे हैं सारे प्रधानमंत्रियों के देश को आगे बढ़ाने में, देश की प्रगति में, तो उनका नाम और उनकी कंट्रीब्यूशंस भी सामने लाने की जरूरत पड़ जाती है.
जी बिल्कुल, देखिए, सरकार की तरफ से ये जो निर्णय लिया गया था वो साफ तौर से इसी चीज को ध्यान में रखते हुए लिया गया था कि तमाम जो पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री रहे हैं देश के, उन सभी की जो कंट्रीब्यूशन रही है, उनकी तरफ से जो डेवलपमेंटल वर्क किए गए हैं, उनको ध्यान में रखते हुए इस म्यूजियम को चेंज किया गया था. और उसी की वजह से अब इसका नाम भी जो है वो चेंज किया जा रहा है. नेहरू मेमोरियल से अब प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स म्यूजियम एंड सोसाइटी नाम रखा गया है इस म्यूजियम का. एंड इसका पूरा जो लक्ष्य था इस म्यूजियम को बनाने का, उसका कारण जो रहा है वो यही रहा है कि पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री जो भी रहे हैं उनकी क्या क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन रही है हमारे देश की डेवलपमेंट को लेकर, और उसी के चलते इस मेमोरियल का अब नाम भी चेंज कर दिया गया है. हालांकि कांग्रेस पार्टी को इस बात से खास तौर पर एतराज है, क्योंकि उनका कहना है कि नेहरू मेमोरियल जो था उसमें तमाम जो लेगेसी थी जो पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री रहे हैं जवाहरलाल नेहरू, उनकी थी, और उसी की वजह से इस मेमोरियल को तैयार भी किया गया था. लेकिन कांग्रेस पार्टी का एक बड़ा आरोप है कि जो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हैं उनको इस निर्णय को जो है वो एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं था, और उसी की वजह से वो हर उस चीज का नाम बदलना चाहते हैं जो कि
there is an attempt that has now been made when it comes to erasing history, to twist history and to remove, especially when it comes to the contributions in the name that has been also associated with the first Prime Minister of the country, Jawaharlal Nehru. Udit Raj ji is with us here on the broadcast. Udit Raj ji,